Thank you. Good afternoon, dear participants. Warmest greetings from Leningrad region. I will tell you briefly about projects that I'm implementing in Leningrad region in the sphere of waste and measures of support for investors. Leningrad region is one of the most dynamically developing regions that is very attractive for investors. The region attracts investors by the common borders with the European Union, its close proximity to the labor and consumer market of St. Petersburg, as well as the developed infrastructure. According to estimates, the average volume of investments in fixed assets over the last 3 years exceeds 450 billion rubles per year, which is more than 35% of the regional GRP, and that is comparable with the leading world economies. Despite the pandemic, Leningrad region continues demonstrating positive economic results, and the main economic branches of the region affected by the pandemic have almost recovered. Foreign business highly estimates the investment climate in the Leningrad region, and according to the external environment analysis carried out by the German and Russian Chamber of Commerce, Leningrad region entered the top 5 regions which with the best conditions for investments, and 30% of member companies of the Chamber are planning to increase their investments in Russia. As for ecology, Leningrad region implements the national project Ecology as all other regions in Russian Federation. The national project includes liquidation of 3 municipal indoor dams, 100% reforestation by 2024, growth of the share of the citizens who receive high-quality drinking water from centralized water supply system, and the village will one of the priority projects are projects in the sphere of waste management. And according to the results of 2020, the enterprises handle about 40% of the total amount of municipal solid waste and disposed of about 20% of waste. In December 2020, the pilot project on separate waste collection was launched in one of our regions. And besides, it's planned to commission a high-tech complex for waste treatment, recycling and disposal in Kingisepsky district by 2022. The total capacity will amount to 300,000 tons per year, and the facility will include lines for optical waste sorting, for biocomposing of organic fractions, a line for production of refuse-derived fuel. The projects in the sphere of waste processing and disposal are also being implemented in the Leningrad region. I will tell you about a few of them. For example, on the national paper, one of the most successful examples of environmental protection in the world is the use of paper of international paper. The enterprise produces office and offset paper, cardboard for packaging liquid food, thermomechanical mass. Besides, the work of the company is aimed at protection of water resources, optimization of consumed water, and introduction of advanced technological initiatives against water pollution. Premio is one of the leading players in the truck rubber recycling market in St. Petersburg and Leningrad region, and the company recycles worn-out car tires into scrap rubber. Then this scrap rubber is used in road construction, for covering sport grounds and playgrounds, and for production of rubber flooring, tiles, and other products. Element Recycling is the only glass processing company in Russia, which became a part of the European Assembly of Colored Recyclers, is also implementing its project in the region. Most of these projects receive support of Economic Development Agency of Leningrad region, which I represent, and that is an important part of business support infrastructure in the region, and we provide assistance and implementation of investment projects in all phases. Investors receive a wide range of services free of charge. That is include promotion, consultations, selections of land plots, assistance in interaction with the executive authorities and the local authorities, and precise navigation concerning measures of support provided by the regional development institutions. Besides, the agency helps to receive tax benefits while implementing a project. For example, the region has a law on a regional investment project, which stimulates creation of new enterprises operating in the manufacturing industry. And the minimum volume of investment is only 50 million rubles, and the corporate income tax is reduced to 20% instead of 20%. So we are very interested in the attraction of Swedish environmentally friendly enterprises and technologies to Leningrad region. And so the agency will direct all its efforts towards provision and acceleration of investment projects implementation. We are looking forward to successful cooperation, so please do not hesitate to contact me directly. You can see our contacts. My very best greetings from Leningrad region. That's briefly about, just not to give a lot of information about the region. You can see our website, so please contact in case if you have an interest in investing in Leningrad region in terms of waste recycling. Thank you.